Okay, sensational. New hair. Who this? Look at this color, you guys. Even on my brown skin, girl. I feel like stepping out and about this hair, this color. Pamela Anderson, who?
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fair, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. When I grow like gold, they grow, and time pass, and flirts are perfect. They will rise, don't lie.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Have Big Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another one of the newer units. This one is from the Sensational Lace collection. I'm wearing it in the style Adanna and the color Money Piece Sandy Blonde, girl. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get 3 combs in the front, 2 right here, 1 in the middle, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come with 13x6 HD lace parting space. It also does come pre-plucked as well as with baby hairs. And girl, can we look at this hairline once again? So y'all, I did actually pick this unit up in a natural color and I tried it out a couple weeks ago, but I did not record a review for you guys, so I already knew this unit was going to be bomb.com, but I just wanted to come to you guys with a different color because you guys know I am super comfortable with my number 2s, my 1Bs, so I just wanted to pop right out of the box a little bit. I want to show you guys with this Money Piece Sandy Blonde. It's looking like on a person of my skin tone, and I feel like, girl, it's passable. So this unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. You can add heat if you wanted to. I just love the fact that I don't feel like I needed it. So the texture on this unit is beautiful. It's definitely coming off as a medium Yaki texture. The density on this one is very, very beautiful. It's about 150%. This is all the hair to the front, and it is perfect. It is just enough amount of hair. The length on it is very nice. It's coming just below my boobs, and I'm 5'3" for reference. Like, look at this hair, you guys. So let me just give you guys a tip of what I did to get rid of that ashy lace. So as always, I did go in with my Even Lace Tint Spray in the color Dark Brown. But the trick that I picked up from Weezy Wig Reviews, I decided to go in with the L'Oreal Magic Fruit Cover Up in the color Dark Brown. So what I did was spray the Even Lace tint spray and the color dark brown all over the frontal on the inside, and then I went in with the L'Oreal Magic Root cover up and sprayed it just along the edges. And then on top of that, I did go in with my Juvia's The Warrior 2 palette and the color Kufuru. That is just the powder concealer to just cover up the top of it. I feel like this did definitely a good job of blending it in, so I can't say the ASHY lace is an issue for me anymore. I'm so happy I'm taking tips from these reviews and making these units look more believable, because girl, ASHY lace nowhere, no more. Like, look at that parting space. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. To be real, I mean, I can't say that I have any cons with this unit. Like, girl, clearly I don't, because just like I told you guys, I liked it so much in the number 2. I wanted to come and pick it up in another color just to see. And I'm happy that I did, because this girl, this is something else. I'm digging this. I'm feeling this. Like, yes. So my pros on this unit are definitely going to be the fact that it's pre-plucked. I love the hairline. I love the baby hairs. They're definitely not too thick at all. They're a good length. I didn't even feel the need to cut them down. I like the fact that the lace was so easy to take the concealer as well as the sprays. My number 1 favorite thing about this unit is, honey, the texture. This is the perfect amount of Yaki. It's definitely not too much and it's not too little. It is perfect. I'm not feeling no silkiness, no nothing. This is beautiful. And even in this color, you guys, I did get a couple strands of shedding, but nothing too crazy at all. A little bit of tingling, but nothing too crazy at all. Like, girl, I'm absolutely in love. So I highly, highly, highly recommend you guys pick this unit up. I know it's on the higher price point, but I gotta say, I absolutely feel like it was worth it. I will be picking this one up again. This one is probably going to keep selling out, so I highly recommend you guys get your hands on one, because I guarantee you will not be disappointed. When I did actually wear my color number 2, I wore it for a good 2 weeks, and that unit held up beautifully. That's why I picked it up again, because I just feel like this is definitely going to be a good quality unit. I feel like it's worth the purchase. The construction of this unit is very nice. The density, the pattern, the hairline, the baby hairs, the parting space, like, must I go on? Must I go on? You need to go and get you one, honey. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.